Hello, I am so excited that you're back for another tasty recipe. I'm Ruby Day and today we are making a specialty alcoholic drink. It's called a Baltimore Bang. I'm sure you've heard of it. It's a type of old fashioned, but we're gonna do a little summertime twist to it that you are going to love. So it's basically 3 ingredients, super simple. You probably already have a lot of it in your home already. So the first ingredient, let me shake it up real quick, is lemonade. This is the twist on this Baltimore Bang because it typically calls for lemon juice and sugar to make a simple syrup, but this is a quick little go-to for it. So we are going to take 1.5 ounces of lemonade, pour it in your container. We're gonna put it in a shaker so that we get it shaken up really nice. Now we have our alcohol. You are gonna love this. If you've got bourbon, if you've got whiskey, it doesn't matter, either one will work. I have Johnny Walker Black whiskey right here, 1.5 ounces. Now, I love this because it's a stout drink, but it's super refreshing too. You are gonna love it just as much. It's perfect for that summertime. Like if you're going to the beach or you're out by the pool or even going to the lake, this is refreshing and fantastic for that. Or maybe you're just having some friends over for the evening. I always love having kind of little cocktail parties and serving this when you've had a tough week or you just really want to unwind and relax. It is perfect for it. Now we are going to take an apricot liqueur or Deserrano, which is basically the same thing. They're great little substitutes, easily defined and perfect for this recipe. 1.5 ounces. Reminds me of a sweet and sour drink. I love sweet and sour things like sweet and sour gummies or sweet and sour Chinese chicken. So tasty. This is the similar taste flavors that are just gonna explode in your mouth. We need another 1/2 ounce here. Now this apricot liqueur is gonna add an additional sweetness on top of that lemonade that is just gonna be amazing. My mouth is already watering. Now we are going to shake this up, put ice in it. I actually have my shaker glass chilled, so it's gonna make it super cool. Of course, this is a shaken and not stirred recipe. Okay, I think we've got it great. Just twist that off. There we go. Grab your chilled martini glass, which I have right here, and just pour it in. It is ready. I love that golden color that's with it too. Oh, perfect. The aroma smells amazing. If you love old fashions, I do sometimes. I like one from now and time again. This is perfect. You're gonna love it. Now you can garnish it with an orange slice or a maraschino cherry if you want. I love the golden tone of this. It's kind of like a sunset, don't you think? It smells amazing. I love old fashions, and this Baltimore Bang with a twist is perfect for the hot days and summertime nights. Oh yeah, that is magnificent. I love the citrus to it. And that lemonade has the perfect amount of sweetness with it. And then the Deserrano, oh my gosh, it just gives that smooth finish to that good whiskey. How can you go wrong with a staple like this? Ladies are gonna love it. The men are gonna love it. I hope you serve it at your next cocktail party or just sitting back chilling on a summertime night. I hope you love it as much as I love you. Mwah.